Jain Engineers is a leading manufacturer and exporter of mechanical seals, pump and distillery spares, agitator drive assembly, bearing isolators, biotech and precision components. Jain Engineers was established by Ashok in the year 1995 with a mission to manufacture world-class products and to provide prompt after-sales services to the clients. We have a well-established 15,000 square foot ultra-modern manufacturing unit at Belgaum, India with all modern and advanced equipments with ERP and ISO implemented. We manufacture mechanical seals as per ANSI, ISO, DIN and API standards. We have highly qualified engineers and technicians who are engaged in continuous development of products to ensure the best quality products at affordable price and meet the changing trends of global market. Our products include single spring coiled and bellow mechanical seals, PTFE bellow mechanical seals, Grundfos cartridge mechanical seals, metal bellow mechanical seals, wave spring mechanical seals, multi-spring single and double mechanical seals, cartridge mechanical seals, double-acting agitator mechanical seals, dry agitator mechanical seals, high-pressure mechanical seals, bearing isolators. Jain Engineers also manufacture agitator drive assembly with mechanical seal for fermentators for capacity ranging from 2 liters to 1,500 liters. We also offer additional services like lapping services, reconditioning of mechanical seals, fitting, after-sales services and technical support in mechanical seals, high-precision machining consulting, new product development and reconditioning of rotary joints. We provide total solution to our esteemed customers with matchless consistency and superior performance. Jain Engineers have received various awards and recognition which includes National Award as Best Entrepreneur from Government of India, MSME Super Tycoon Award from ASSOCHAM, Award for Manufacturing Excellence by Government of Karnataka, Award for Outstanding Performance in Innovation and Creativity in Karnataka by KISA, Rotary BSE SME National Award for Excellence in Import Substitution, Dilip Damal Memorial Trust Award for Excellence in Industrial Product Development and Manufacturing. Jain Engineers showcased its product in various national and international exhibitions and was also part of Delegate for India UK SMEs Conference and Buyer-Seller Meet in Leicestershire, United Kingdom. We are having representatives all over India, abroad to sell our mechanical seals under the registered trademark Jain Seals. Mechanical seals are available as per ANSI, ISO, DIN and API standards. Seals manufactured by us are comparable to the ones manufactured by Eagle Bergman, John Crane, Pillar, Nippon, Chesterton but available at a competitive price and are serving the process industry, shipping industries, dairies, distilleries, beverages, petroleum industries, sugar industries, thermic fluids, and chemical industries. We are having vast clientele all over India as well as abroad like Singapore, Oman, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, South Africa to name a few. We supply mechanical seals for Kirloskar, KSB, Johnson, Alpha Level, Syntac, Flowserve, Recency, Microfinish, Grundfos, Ake and many more. Jain Engineers has earned a reputation for offering some of the most progressive, innovative and proven engineering solutions to the industry. Our objective is to widen our customer base through cost-effective solutions in the form of both products and services. We are committed to provide latest technology to our valuable customers with continuous improvement. As quality products at competitive price are our strength, we are proud to call ourselves as Innovative Engineering Solutions Company. Please contact us for any inquiry about our product and services.